Where are you staying at?
I'm staying at Bikini Bottom Resort.
Bikini what?
Bikini Bottom Resort.
Bikini Bottom. All right, so we don't have a Bikini Bottom Resort here. That's close to home. Yeah. Bikini Beach?
Bikini Beach.
Okay.
The 20th of March 2026. Bikini Beach, Florida. Spring break. 3 statutes apply. A misdemeanor for the fictitious driver's license. A disorderly intoxication predicate for the conduct that preceded the contact. And a 3rd-degree felony exposure up to 5 years, created the moment the subject was placed in the K-9 transport vehicle.
Even better. Okay. Cool. Hey, sir.
Recording.
Fake ID. She says it's a real name and her birthday is 05. I was just about to.
It's 05, not 02.
Okay.
Hey,
She
517.
was drunk. They kicked her off the property. Wanted her off the property because she was so drunk. She wasn't leaving, and when they approached her, she handed them back.
517, go ahead.
Okay.
No tag on a gray Hyundai
What's up?
Sonata.
I'll run her real quick.
Big
Make sure that's
Washington County number 8 primary.
I talked to Dylan. He said that you just wanted her to get home safe more than anything because she got found in the trash can. So I don't think
You said I wasn't leaving?
You're the tank.
definitely.
I never told any officer that I was never leaving.
Fair enough.
What are we talking about?
I just heard what y'all said, and y'all said that I was never leaving. That was never an
In the
option.
handcuffs.
Do you have friends out here?
There is another girl that's with her.
Where's she at?
She went back inside. She's supposed to be coming back out. I got her room key too.
Nice. Okay.
223, go ahead.
Let's give her a call so she can come out here.
Alabama.
Call her so she'll be right here.
Her phone's
Charles
dead.
1.
Oh,
Nora, Boy, X-ray. Your red, Ford Focus.
is she going here enough to work? Know where hotel and shit's at?
Do what now?
Is she going here enough to know where hotel and shit's at?
The upside down house
This
or the
girl?
bottom of the morning?
I don't think so.
Where are you staying at?
I'm staying at Bikini Bottom Resort.
Bikini what?
Bikini Bottom Resort.
Bikini Bottom. All right, so we don't have a Bikini Bottom Resort here.
That's close to home.
Yeah.
Down the road.
Bikini Beach?
Bikini Beach.
Okay. Oh, so we know where you're from.
I've been trying to get her to go
Nice.
for like a half an hour.
Awesome.
That is not me.
Huh?
50 to
I'm
35.
not talking about me.
Oh, he's most certainly talking about you, yes.
No, because I've only been here for half an hour.
Okay, they've been dealing with you for a minute.
46 generation.
What's that?
Can we grab her friend one more time?
Yeah, if we can.
Are you 10-6?
Alright.
I was on the walk over the alleyways, but
Let's,
no, I'm not 10-6. 10-4. You grab a couple guys.
You happen to have a cage by chance?
These calls back at this intersection. Okay.
He does. I don't. I'm in that black gun mark. Ain't no cage in it.
Okay. Alright. Let's put her up in a cage, 17, and then I'll bring my...
Is there anybody down in the elbow?
I'll bring my car back around, so if y'all just stick her on there and put her in a cage, 17, and I'll bring my shit over there, and I'll meet y'all over there.
How are the light towers doing in this wind? We need to settle down. We can work on that next right now. We want it on every call.
Alright, I'll meet you down there.
We can give you a court date. We can make you show up for the court.
I will show up for a court date.
You don't live here, so we don't get that choice.
I can come up here.
You don't have a license. And you're under 21.
I do have a license for 45 days.
Yeah, court date ain't gonna be in 45 days.
My court date is April 29th.
20 years old.
April 29th.
Y'all want to swap cuffs on her? Or?
Yeah,
Leave mine
if we get the friend out here, because if we can get the friend, I'll really say no to if the friend can't show up, then she can go across.
Okay.
Oh, I got flex cuffs we can put on her for now,
Yeah,
so
I
we can
got
get
flex
your.
too.
I'll go grab.
Hold off on the flex right now. I mean, unless you have a letter. With me.
I have a knife.
Okay.
The friend fruit's not coming out.
Fruit's not coming out.
I'll go talk to her. I'll come out. Your friend goes, yeah.
Sounds good to me.
She might have a fake.
She probably has a fake too.
Probably has a fake.
Double check her ID. She probably's got a fake as well.
Charlie to home
Check her ID.
15.
Probably got a fake. Hey, they're calling you, Curtis.
Home 15.
All right, almost got our paperwork.
Confirming that Alabama DL.
That's correct.
Therefore, that doesn't return either.
Don't fucking return either.
Name birthday drill.
I ain't got no cartilage in my
Swap this guy. Yeah.
Kyle, you break that one. Turn around, feet. There you go.
Here, I'll put these on her first, and then we'll switch those ones.
All right.
I'll put another cuffs on you, okay?
Go put other handcuffs on you.
Am I going to jail?
Hey, are you going to jail?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me fix your thumb. Maybe. There we go. Put your hands. There you go.
You got handcuffs on you?
Yeah. Just trying to get them a little bit tightened down. She got small
Why am I
wrists.
going to jail?
Alright, lift your hands up for me. She got small wrists. I'll do this after. It's hard to.
You're good, man.
Hey, why am I going to jail?
Cause it just fell in my pocket. Oh, my other handcuff key.
What fell?
My other handcuff key. I'll grab it in a second. Leave your hand right there for me, okay? Where are you from?
From Alabama.
What part of Alabama are you from?
Please.
Put your hand back behind your back.
Oh, it's just,
Please, I've already been arrested for DUI.
when did you get arrested?
March.
March. Lean so that way towards me. There you go.
Please don't arrest me.
It's not my choice, okay? You need to pick your hand up a little bit. There you go, just like that. Don't move them. All right.
Get your key.
Yeah. I'll close the door.
If that's
I got it. 14.
Okay.
That makes sense.
All right.
Cool.
We're gonna step out. We're gonna go to a different vehicle, okay?
Yep. Cause these guys gotta go home.
Can I not talk to somebody?
You can talk to somebody. Come on, they'll step out though.
Cool.
26 Alabama Beach.
All right. So you're gonna be in the back of my car. There is a dog back there. Don't bark at him. Don't talk to him. Don't wolf at him. Don't do nothing like that.
Oh, shit,
Otherwise, I
I
will charge you for another misdemeanor. Is that understood?
No.
2345.
Okay. What don't you understand about it?
I don't understand why I'm being charged with a misdemeanor.
Because you have a fictitious DO. So, do you understand not to bark at him?
Watch where you're
There's a
stepping.
big gap. Do you understand? Scoot your butt. There you go. Okay.
That's up front.
Yeah, it's tossed up front. Do you understand not to bark or do anything to my dog? I want to make sure that you're clear on it. Do you understand that? Okay.
2345.
So there is transport man. Where? I don't know. But I will take your transport man.
Florida Statute Section 322.212. Fictitious driver's license is charged here as a misdemeanor. Possession of a fraudulent license, up to 60 days. The prior DUI arrest in March 2026, disclosed by the subject at timestamp 6 minutes 4 seconds, provides the probable context. An Alabama license under post-DUI administrative suspension, and a fictitious license carrying the functional load of the suspended one. Florida Statute Section 856.011. Disorderly intoxication requires public intoxication combined with a public disturbance or refusal to leave. The predicate was transmitted by radio before this bodycam started. She was drunk and had refused to leave for over 30 minutes. The hotel name confusion on camera provides corroborating intoxication documentation on the record. Florida Statute Section 843.19 makes it a third-degree felony up to 5 years to interfere with, harass, or harm a police canine. The officer's warning sequence is not courtesy. It is statutory compliance. He issued the instruction at timestamp 6:52. Received an ambiguous response, then repeated and confirmed understanding at 7:32. Two-stage warning with confirmed acknowledgement is the legally protective sequence.
484, go ahead.
Step out, please.
What?
David,
Nice.
Sam,
We're gonna go
9446.
I don't know you
David,
want me to
Sam,
step out.
9446,
Because I
Georgia.
asked you to step
We
out,
got a
please.
gray
Are you the cop
Mazda
or something?
sedan,
Yes.
Hungry Howie's Grumpy.
No, you're not.
100% on. Come on, step out.
2354.
Stand right there. Alright, let's go.
Go where?
The van. Over here. This way. Hello, sir. I have a female for you. She's already slipped her cuffs once, so this flex are a little bit tight, so she wants to slip them.
Never slipped my cuffs.
You 100% did.
No, I didn't.
Have a seat. Watch her head. She's pretty intoxicated. Okay.
Do you think it's to the point that she needs medical?
She's a little tipsy and she's crying about being arrested.
Under City of Revere v. Massachusetts General Hospital, law enforcement must ensure medical care for persons taken into custody. The transfer officer's on-camera welfare inquiry. Do you think it's to the point she needs medical and the documented response? No. She's just a little tipsy, crying. About being arrested constitute a welfare assessment on the record. The officer receives B+. Patience with an intoxicated subject. A two-stage K9 warning with confirmed acknowledgement, and a documented welfare check at transfer. Deductions for informal address during the arrest sequence and audible profanity on active camera. The subject receives D. Fictitious license, public intoxication, refusal to leave, a prior DUI the same month, and a disputed handcuff slip requiring flex cuff escalation. 3 takeaways. First, a fictitious driver's license is a misdemeanor at minimum, and a felony if used to establish identity. A prior DUI suspension does not reduce the charge. It explains why it existed. Second, a K9 vehicle creates felony exposure for canine interference. The two-stage warning is the correct procedure. Third, non-resident defendants in Florida do not negotiate voluntary court appearance as an alternative to arrest processing. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic that you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for even more police interaction and courtroom content.